Welcome back to Car Garage, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And for even more exciting automotive content, check out our other channel, Auto Insight. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100, an auto-rickshaw that promises improved efficiency, better durability, and enhanced comfort. If you're in the market for a reliable three-wheeler, stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know about this new model. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality. The 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100 gets a refreshed look with a more aerodynamic front fascia, improved headlamps for better visibility, and a stronger chassis designed to handle heavy-duty commercial use. The bodywork is more robust, which means added durability for long-term operation. Moving on to the engine and performance, the Bajaj Maxima 100 comes with a powerful 236.2 cubic centimeters DTSI engine, delivering enhanced fuel efficiency and smooth power delivery. Whether you're navigating city traffic or handling cargo loads, this auto-rickshaw is designed to provide a balanced combination of performance and economy. The improved gearbox ensures smoother gear shifts, making it easier for drivers to operate. Another key highlight is the suspension and comfort. Bajaj has upgraded the suspension system to provide a smoother ride, even on rough roads. The rear shock absorbers are specially tuned to handle extra weight, making it a great choice for both passenger and cargo applications. The seating is more ergonomic, providing better comfort for long hours of driving. Now, let's talk about fuel efficiency, which is one of the biggest concerns for auto-rickshaw owners. The 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100 boasts an impressive mileage of around 30 to 35 km/L, ensuring lower running costs and higher profitability for drivers. Plus, Bajaj offers multiple fuel options, including petrol, diesel, and CNG, allowing buyers to choose the best option based on their needs. On the features and technology front, Bajaj has integrated a new digital instrument cluster, providing real-time fuel efficiency data, a trip meter, and basic diagnostic alerts. The vehicle also comes with improved safety features, such as an enhanced braking system and a reinforced body structure for better crash protection. So, is the 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100 worth considering? If you're looking for a durable, fuel-efficient, and comfortable auto-rickshaw for commercial use, this model is a strong contender. With its reliable engine, improved ride quality, and practical features, it's a solid investment for drivers and fleet owners alike. What do you think about the 2025 Bajaj Maxima 100? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe in next video.